And look here, we are the unique family here, part of it.
What's up, YouTube?
Hi. What's up, YouTube?
Hi.
We are excited. Why are we so far back? We are participating in a
Mukbang.
Woo! Can you put a panda right here?
Don't forget to hit that like button.
Do it again.
Don't forget to hit that like button.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
And don't forget to hit that notification button. And don't forget to share this video and
Comment down below
what our next video should be.
hey.
So guys,
Hey.
we're doing
Shout out to Sal.
shout out to you, Sal.
Get well soon.
Yeah.
That's right. Get
All
well.
right.
Mom made us some lovely pork chops.
We used the air fryer for the first time.
It didn't turn out.
Hey. Be cool. You haven't tasted
Yeah,
it.
you tasted
These are the
it.
new ones.
Oh, they are.
Yeah.
Oh,
How do you feel getting up to, is it 400 subscribers?
Almost, yeah.
We're almost to, by the time you see this, most likely you will be 400 subscribers.
Yeah.
thank you so much, guys. We love you.
Love you, all of you that's
400
watching.
subscribers. You guys remember?
We're growing.
You guys remember what it was like to try to get 2 subscribers?
It was hard.
You guys remember your first video?
Well, we made private videos, but our first public video,
Can I have headphones?
yeah, it was the Can I Have Headphones video. The second one we did, me and Ken, which was Angry Granny, I think.
Yes, I remember that.
Question for you guys. What was your favorite video with us?
I think my favorite was the in life what's it called? Among Us.
Yeah, that's what I really like.
The Among
Yeah,
Us.
same.
That's what I was gonna say. The Among Us and
Oh,
I
and
think all our videos that we do personally, like birthdays and
Yeah.
you know when
Celebration and stuff.
celebration and stuff like that. I
oh
really
yeah, those are nice too. No, but one I did really like is the one where we had the takeover where I had to make the cartoon.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I think I like it more when y'all work together and do y'all videos. You know, all three of y'all.
I like the iPhone Remix Challenge Part 2.
So what are your goals coming up for Unique Kids?
Merch.
I feel like we're growing a lot faster though, and we've been doing it like every other week and stuff. So
Staying consistent.
we need to stay consistent though, because you know that's a big part of YouTube. And
That's a big part of you guys, your fans
yeah, YouTube. That's a part of it.
and watchers.
But you know,
Did you guys ever do like a sour challenge? Did we ever get those sour candies or anything?
Oh, we did get that Mexican candy, but
Oh,
we
yeah.
never remember.
Sours.
We got a few more weeks of school left. How y'all feel about that?
Horrible.
good,
Right.
very.
I'll give away these Crocs if y'all subscribe.
No. You're so silly. Oh shoot! Where my rings?
Daddy, Mama. Dig in the mashed potatoes.
You guys, they were unmarried for 5 seconds.
Who's your favorite crush, Jay?
Orange.
That was good. That was good. That was good. What about you?
Mommy. Hey, yo, no. No, we ain't gonna speak that name in the mighty name of Jesus.
Who?
No.
All from
Get that out your spirit now. I redeem that spirit.
Redeem.
Wow.
Rebuke.
Hold on, y'all gotta blur that
He
out.
wants that spirit. He should
Redeem.
Yeah.
You know, you can't mess with swag like that. You want to mess with me, you mess with my
deserve to eat
homie,
your
you mess
corn.
with my, try to mess with my parents, you.
He's sleepy. He's so tired, you guys.
Yes, man.
2, 1.
Stay unique for watching.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and thank you guys for watching.
2, 1. Thank you guys for watching. Stay unique.
Hold on. We gotta do, don't forget this dollar.
No, we're doing it again.
We already did that.
Thank
you guys for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget this like button.
Don't forget to that red big fat subscribe button.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget to
that notification button.
And don't forget to share this video and
Comment down below what our next video should
we
be.
just cool like that, guys. We just cool like that.
Yeah,
And one thing we
say you need